How to create a pricing table on Wix. In order to do that, you first need to head over to this app and go to App Market. So for this one, just click on the search app right here and let's search in here for price table. So we have in here this price table wherein you can display pricing for bundles, membership, and plans. For this one, let's click on this. And then once you click on that, you should be able to see the home page for that. So what we can do is we can click on this add to site option and it will open in here a new window that will ask you if you agree to their terms. Just click on the agree and add option and then just go to your editor in order to integrate it to your Wix. So take note that the editor may take some time to load, so you can just wait for that to open. So as you can see right here, the price table has been integrated. What you can do is you can just click on the table and then you can just drag it wherever you want to add it. So you can attach it wherever. And then if you want to manage it, you can click on the settings option right here in order to manage the settings of the price table. So for this one, you can change up the description as well as a lot more options. And you can also change out the layout of this price table. So this will actually show up when you load the settings for this one, wherein you can find in here anything that you want, like elements, design, other options or elements. So that's how you create a pricing table on Wix. Hope we helped.